Hey guys, so today we are making these delicious lemon bars from scratch. I left a list of ingredients you will need at the end of this video. This recipe is so yummy. So we need to split our preparation, crust in one bowl and the filling in another. I went ahead and used ghee for my recipe. You can sub out your flour for something keto friendly if you wish to make this low carb, which I've done before. You can beat it through a strainer and then just toss out any little solids that stick to the strainer that don't want to come out. After this, you are going to pat down your crust. We need to bake our crust first before we add our filling. Then you add your filling and make sure you get every little bit of filling from your bowl. We're gonna bake this, and once that is ready, we are now gonna cut them into bars. You're going to peel down your parchment paper. We are going to powder the top with some powdered sugar, just lightly. The bottoms of these lemon bars are so yummy. They remind me of like a delicious shortbread cookie. And that lemon bar is sweet and sort of tangy, but it's so good. It's such a great combination. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I can't wait for you guys to make it.